Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Alright, now check it. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style, or the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Batter up, lyrics and home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burn it through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
And without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. Today I got a special Go app unboxing for y'all. And this one is one that, whew, this was a sleeper, and I am so glad people slept on it because this is a shoe that I couldn't grab on release day for retail on this Nike sneakers app. And yeah, I'm gonna just start unboxing this because I ordered this on December, I believe it was the 22nd. Yeah, and of course, you know, with the whole New Year's break and everything, so I've been waiting. Toss the knife to the side, tissue paper, toss that. Whew. This box looks so nice. Come on, get out of there. You don't want to come out, I see. There we go. Toss that over young. Oh man, y'all see that? Y'all see what we working with? Y'all see what we working with? We switching it up for the new year. Y'all see the first video was the Air Max 1s. Now we got the Nike and Stussy collab. Well, let me know how y'all pronounce it honestly. I got a friend that says Stussy, and I say Stussy, but let me know what's the proper way of saying it. Regardless, they be having some really good collaborations, and this stuff just fell out of. Oh, they got some new stickers. Well, not new stickers, but the new punch cards. Okay, so of course, got your GOAT sticker, and then you got a new punch tag. This is nice. I like this. It's like a black ticket. This is cool. But yeah, of course, making sure that they're verified, which I already knew that. I'm not worried about any of that from GOAT, which is why I trust and love their app. And got the black paper, like the black speckled paper with the white and whatnot. Oh, you actually get 2 layers of paper. I want to make sure you know that. And whew, oh, whoa, these smell good. Hold up. You already know what we rocking with. You already know. This is, man, these. Amazing. Oh my gosh. This man, I was so worried that this would feel stiff, but it's not at all. Dog.
Honestly, I'm shocked.
Oh, all right. This feels good. All right. Man. They did not disappoint with these. But yes, we got the triple black Nike and Stussy collab on the Air Force One lows. And this shoe, when I first seen pictures of it, I was already on board. I was like, you know what? I was like, I don't care if it's a all black Air Force One low. This is hard because it's that sneakerhead in me that appreciates all the small details, like all this entire canvas upper. Then you got the Stussy embroidered on the toe box. You got that Stussy emblem on the back right here. Oh man, then of course you got Stussy on the tag. Let's get the other shoe out. These joints going crazy. Oh, I didn't even realize this part. Got like a design on the paper too. That's tough. Yeah, these right here, I like these. These are clean. Couldn't hit on the Nike sneakers app, but thankfully these were not going like anywhere crazy over retail. I don't remember what retail was, but I paid $150 for these. But yeah, I'm not gonna say too much on these now because of course I'm gonna just say everything I gotta say in the review, show y'all all the actual details, get more info on what this material is on the upper, because it seems like it's canvas, but I just want to double check. But whew, these are hard. But yeah, of course, 2021, we starting off straight heat out the gate. We not holding back on nothing. They really did their thing on these, honestly, like. And you already know the vibes over here. Reviewing on feet, definitely on the way. That video is gonna be up next after this one. So, yeah, I can't wait to put these joints on feet.
One word away from being higher than the atmosphere. No man but God, and that's barely. Loyal to the fame and to the money whom I marry.
But nonetheless, just another successful Go app purchase that I am extremely satisfied with. If you don't have Go app, I don't know what you're doing at this point. But yeah, this is my pickup. Let me know what y'all think about it. And yeah, hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.